Hello, wide leg stretch, moving at your own pace. Sit tall, both legs long and wide. Feel the stretch slowly, side to side, breathe. Exhale, hold light, center, and lift. Breathe. Let your body melt into the stretch. There's nothing to fix. Breathe here. Let this feel good in your body. With every exhale, soften a little more, no forcing. Come on to hands on your knee. Let your heart melt towards the mat. Inhale, feel space across your chest. Exhale, soften a little deeper. Keep the neck easy. No tension in the throat. Slide forward onto your belly. Bring your elbow under your shoulder. Press softly into your forearms. Inhale, feel space across your chest again. Let the spine gently wake up without forcing anything. Sphinx pose. Shift your hips back. Come into child pose to rest. Begin to take a slow breath in through the nose and exhale completely. Let your body soften here. Slowly wake up. Hand to your lower back for support. Inhale, lift your chest. Press your hips gently forward. Exhale, gently lift your head and chest back to center. Come onto hands on your knee, cat and cow. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, line your back, look your belly. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, line your back, moving at your own pace. Extend through your fingertips and your heel. Find one long line from head to foot. Keep your hips steady. Let your core gently support you. Switch side. Breathe here. Strong, calm, and focused. Shift back into downward facing dog. Lengthen spine. Relax your shoulder. Begin to pedal out through your feet. Shift your body forward into plank position. Core is engaged. Come back to down dog. Plank position like a wave. Down dog. Plank position. Moving at your own pace. Look forward, walk your hand. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, arms up. Palms touch. Hand to the heart center. Come into tree pose. Shift your weight into one foot. Bring the other foot to your ankle or calf forward side. Arms up, hand to the heart center. Find one steady point to focus on. Switch side. Lengthen through the crown of your head. Inhale, grow a little taller. Exhale, soften your shoulders. Slowly release. Inhale, arms up. Palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Open your eyes. See you.